Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is musical signs and terms. Our topic is musical signs and terms. In music, some signs and terms are used to make songs more meaningful. Below are the first set of signs and terms we are considering. They relate to loudness or softness of the piece of music. On the symbol, we have P. The term is piano and the meaning is soft. On the symbol, we have F. The term is forte and the meaning is loud. On the symbol, we have M. The term is mezzo and the meaning is medium. On the symbol, we have MP. The term is mezzo piano and the meaning is moderately soft. On the symbol, we have MF and the term is mezzo forte. The meaning is moderately loud. On that symbol, we have PP. The term is pianissimo and the meaning is very soft. On that symbol, we have FF. The term is fortissimo and the meaning is very loud. We have crescendo on the term and the meaning is gradually becoming louder. Then on the term, we have decrescendo and the meaning is gradually becoming softer. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.